right here. Watch, bang, right there. See it buying it up right here. I'm on the sell button immediately, or I can do it off of here. Now, if this pulls really hard, I'm going to do a sell. Boom, I'm going to grab it. I'm going to drag it. So right here, it's just sitting flat. Not comfortable in that range. Sell. Boom, I'm out. See it? Do you guys see? You need to understand your mechanics. You need to know what to do, when to do it, how to do it.
Okay.
If
I
you
made money.
good job. If you can do this, right, during pre-market, you sure the hell can do this during a regular market, because during regular market hours, I'm doing a market buy, market sell, right? Much faster. I'm in, I'm out. So if you can master these techniques using the limit buy, limit sell, you're going to be a real force when it comes to the regular market open. Look at it go. Bang, we'll scoop up a little more. Remember, I'm just in, out, in, out, in, out. Now I can do it here, or I can do it here and just make sure my last price is activated. There it goes, making more money. I'll take it. There's another 20 bucks. Over and 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 over, right? Otherwise, you guys could buy something small on the break of 213.4, treat it like a regular market because you're small in, and just let it go, right?
Yes, sir.
You're not worried until it comes back to 213.4. So another way to do it. Now, we don't have options, so you can't trade options in the pre-market, but you can definitely be in here scalping, 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 okay?